I recently watched this video where Adam Lambert was asked to build his own Mount Rushmore of the best American Idol contestant. And he picked Kelly Clarkson, Jennifer Hudson, Fantasia Barrino, and Haley Reinhart. So I have an idea. I'm going to build my own Mount Rushmore of the greatest American Idol contestants. By the way, if you like pop culture topics and movie reviews and TV recaps, feel free to follow my page, Mark's Recaps. So I am going to build my Mount Rushmore of the best American Idol contestants based on their performances during the show and not their post-idol careers. My first pick is Kelly Clarkson. Of course, who will not pick the original winner of American Idol? Her performances during the show were phenomenal, especially her Aretha Franklin covers like Respect and Natural Woman. But my personal favorite is her performance of Stuff Like That There during the Big Band Week. Second on my Mount Rushmore is Haley Reinhart from Season 10. Even Adam Lambert picked her on his list because Haley is such a good singer. Even though the judges were criticizing her performances, she's the best on her season. Finishing in third place, some of her best performances include House of the Rising Sun, Benny and the Jets, and Lady Gaga's You and I. My third pick is Fantasia Barrino, the winner of Season 3. She's one of the greatest singers to ever grace the American Idol stage. Her summertime performance is still one of the greatest performances in the Idol stage, and her winning song, I Believe, is probably the best winning song in any singing competition. And the last singer on my Mount Rushmore is of course Adam Lambert. His performances were exceptional during American Idol Season 8. From Tracks of My Tears to Mad World, his appeal and great vocals were impeccable. Even though he only finished as runner-up, he is still one of the most active singers in Hollywood. So there you go. Here is my Mount Rushmore of the greatest American Idol contestants. Let me know what you think. Drop your list as well. Thanks for watching.